He started to do please. Sarah's sharing a donut with him. The good sister that she is. He does. Brayden, can you do eat? Eat? No, eat.
There's a donut on the
Eat.
floor.
I'll pick it up. Good boy. Eat. Eat. Not your ear, your mouth. Eat.
Okay.
Yeah. Good boy.
Want a drink?
No.
Yeah, give him something.
No.
Oh. More?
That's please, Sarah.
I'm sorry.
Is it good?
I liked it.
Yeah. I know you like your chocolate donuts.
Yeah.
You got
They have
some on your
cookies
hand.
Saturday Night Live next week.
Oh, no, it isn't. It's a purple. Oh, yeah. Right.
Brayden, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. He knows how to do bye-bye. Bye-bye.